How to fix Hotmail login problem. So if you're trying to log into your Hotmail account and if you're facing a problem with the login in Hotmail, then what you can do is you need to simply go for the upper right of your browser, which has that three dots icon, and then you can go for history. And under history, you can again go for the first search, which is history. And from here, you can go for the left, which has clear browsing data. And then you need to simply click on browsing history, which will be on the first, and then click on clear data. And you need to clear all of your browsing history. And after clearing your browsing history, now you can restart your device and you need to check your internet connection. And once you've done all of that, once you've restarted your device, you can go to the search bar and search for Hotmail login. And once you've searched for Hotmail login, go for the first search and go for sign in, and then try to log into your account and your account will be logged in. So that's it. That's how you fix your Hotmail login problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.